Were you aware that this smart gadget was created to elevate both your workspace and your meetings? Imagine controlling your digital world with a whisper. This smart ring holds a secret, a built-in microphone for interacting with AI chatbots. In an emergency, this health monitoring device can automatically alert responders, ensuring help arrives when you need it most. Unleash your inner techie. Check out these 9 amazing smart gadgets that are redefining what's possible. Let's get to the video. This isn't your ordinary lamp. Forget features like brewing coffee or writing poetry though, that would be cool. But these capabilities alone pique curiosity. For now, it transforms mundane business meetings into something extraordinary. Lamp Plus is installed like a standard ceiling light. The Lamp Plus automatically adapts to the table situation every time you start it, so you can concentrate on your meeting. It includes a built-in full HD projector with 1400 ANSI lumens, so you can easily display images from your smartphone or other devices. With touch responsiveness and its proprietary operating system, Abu's Monte Rosa, it seamlessly integrates with AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast. With 360-degree sound coverage, the price tag of Lamp Plus is $4,378. The VOLTRA One prioritizes both power and portability. It's the world's first handheld direct-drive cable trainer, making it incredibly compact for home gyms. With resistance adjustable up to 91 kilograms in precise 450 grams increments, the VOLTRA One is perfect for beginners and seasoned gym goers alike. It even offers a unique progressive resistance feature, where the challenge increases the further you pull the cable. The VOLTRA One displays basic training data on its screen, with advanced analytics available through the Beyond Plus mobile app. While the price tag sits at $2,099, the VOLTRA One offers a powerful and versatile training solution in a highly portable package. The Boss KATANA amplifier lineup just got even mightier with the introduction of the KATANA Go. This pocket-sized powerhouse caters to both guitarists and bassists. Simply plug your instrument into the KATANA Go and unleash your inner rock star. Choose from 10 digital amps and explore 60 built-in effects to sculpt your signature sound. The convenient 3.5mm headphone jack lets you jam out silently, perfect for late-night practice sessions. The KATANA Go's clear OLED display keeps things simple while you dial in your tone, and a built-in tuner ensures you're always in perfect pitch. Top it all off with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 5 hours, and you've got a portable practice companion for just $125. Introducing the WIZPR Ring, the tech world's answer to the one ring to rule them all. This sleek ring boasts a built-in microphone for discreet voice commands, powered by the combined might of Gemini and ChatGPT. Effortlessly handle tasks like navigation and smart home control with just a whisper. The WIZPR Ring stands out with its unique ability to understand whispered commands, ensuring your privacy even in noisy environments. It's undeniably cool. However, the conversation might get a little quieter regarding the 10-hour battery life and $139 price tag. These aspects might not be the most attractive, but the convenience and privacy the WIZPR Ring offers are undeniable. Beacon Boxx offers invaluable support, particularly for individuals with health concerns who live independently. This helpful system connects to your wearable devices, like smartwatches, to discreetly monitor your health. Powered by AI algorithms, Beacon Boxx analyzes your data. If it detects potential issues, it will first gently nudge you to check your well-being with an alert before switching off the alarm. But don't worry, help is always a button press away. In the event you don't respond, Beacon Boxx will automatically contact emergency services. They'll receive a secure PIN code to access a nearby Beacon Boxx containing your home keys, allowing them to quickly reach you. For only $150, Beacon Boxx offers peace of mind and potentially life-saving intervention, making it a valuable investment in your safety. Calling all mechanical keyboard aficionados. Prepare for liftoff with the KeysMe Mars 3, a keyboard that blasts off with a space-age design and stellar features. This celestial masterpiece boasts a built-in LCD display to keep you informed and specially crafted switches for smoother keystrokes with minimal wobble. When it comes to keys, you have the flexibility to reassign them, combine them in any configuration you desire, and integrate them with macros using the dedicated software. Take full command of your workflow. And for a final touch of space-age flair, the KeysMe Mars 3 even includes a built-in magnetic spinner, perfect for those moments when you need to take a break and fidget among the stars. All this innovation can be yours for a stellar price of $330. Conquer treacherous trails with confidence. Vibram Performance Soles are an easy-to-use solution for enhanced traction on your next adventure. While they won't magically grant you spider-like grip in every situation, these innovative soles offer confidence-inspiring traction on snow and ice. Their secret lies in Vibram Arctic Grip technology, designed to excel even on wet, icy surfaces. Vibram Performance Soles are designed for convenience too. They slip on and off your existing footwear easily, and even come with a waterproof storage bag for on-the-go use. For just $117, Vibram Performance Soles offer a great way to add some extra security to your next outdoor trek. Ever wondered why you might need a laptop with two displays? Because the creators of the DXU screen claim it can skyrocket your productivity by up to 55%. The DXU screen features two 13.5-inch displays that can work together seamlessly for multitasking or independently for focused work. Feeling cramped while typing? No problem. Simply detach the hidden keyboard from the case for a more comfortable experience. The DXU screen might seem a bit on the heavy side at 1.75 kilograms, and its 6-hour battery life might not be ideal for everyone. However, it's clear where the extra power goes towards powering those dual screens. And the price tag? The DXU screen rings in at a competitive $700, making it a compelling option for those seeking a revolutionary way to work. Buckle up, gadget freaks. ZOTAC has unveiled a VR backpack computer designed specifically for virtual reality experiences. They're calling it the VR Go 4.0. This backpack is a powerhouse. It's equipped with an 8-core i7 processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a top-of-the-line 16 GB RTX 4500 graphics card, ensuring smooth and immersive VR gameplay. On the plus side, the battery life lasts up to 50 minutes, giving you ample time to delve into digital adventures. The VR Go 4.0 weighs in at 5.2 kilograms, so be prepared for a bit of a workout while you explore VR worlds. The ZOTAC VR Go 4.0 comes in at a hefty price tag of $5,120. This investment might be ideal for VR enthusiasts and developers who need top-of-the-line performance. Discover the latest in gadgets by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your nearest and dearest. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates. Please watch this next video for more latest gadgets.